वेलकम टू quick tips and tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं, सावध आनी भलायकेन. आनी आतां जावन आसा आमच्या गोंयांत ताल्ले खूब पडटा. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक सार्दीन curry or sardine suke. In Konkani it is like Tallyanche Suke. So for that what we need is half kg of sardine or एक वांटो आमचो ताल्ल्याचो. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. Washed it and I will apply this now and keep aside. Then to grind what we need, a small bunch of coriander leaves, around 5 green chilies which are spicy, one whole pod of garlic, and around 15 to 20 peppercorns, black peppercorns. And I will half onion we need, so I'm taking little bit of onion in this, of that half. So half means the onion, this is the half, other half. So that big onion, if small then you can take 2. Then we also need some kokum petals and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Okay, or you can use 1 tomato. So let's make a paste out of this. We'll add water. Grind to fine paste. We'll also add little bit of tamarind. Little. Our masala is ready. It's a quick recipe. So let's make now our sardine suke or sardine dry, semi-dry. Take 1 tablespoon of oil. And take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry this nicely. We'll add our tomato puree and our masala. And fry the masala nicely. We'll add our turmeric powder in this now. That is just 1/4 of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon. We'll add little water. Now we'll cover this and cook this masala. Then we'll add our sardine. So cover and cook this for few minutes. So now we will, after 5 minutes, we'll add our fish to this. let them now get cooked. Salt we will check later, and this will get cooked very quickly because they are sardines. So check the salt. We need little bit of salt for this. So this is like almond and teak but in green masala. Jeera mere. Okay, now we'll cover this and cook. Now we'll add a kokum. सोला उडून घेऊया आणि आमची कोडी झाली. आता एका धापूया आणि बंद करूया. ओके, गॅस बंद करूया. होप यू ऑल विल एन्जॉय दिस almond thick in green masala, that is jeera mere masala of our tarle. Try this recipe and enjoy. Yummy it is. Thank you so much. देव बरे करो. टेस्टी सार्डिन ताल्ले बरे लागतं आमच्या दर्यातले. ओके, have it with pav, rice, whatever. Thank you.
For all those who love Tarle, this is Goan Suke Tarle with green masala. Yummy and tasty. Enjoy.